Creating an e-commerce website on Wix is straightforward and doesn't require coding skills. Here's a simplified guide. Sign up and choose a plan. Go to the Wix website and sign up for an account. Select a plan that suits your e-commerce needs. Choose a template. Wix offers a variety of e-commerce templates. Browse through them and choose the one that aligns with your brand and products. Customize your site. Use Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop editor to customize your website. Add your logo, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand identity. Add e-commerce features. Wix provides built-in e-commerce tools. Add product pages, galleries, and a shopping cart to your site. Set up payment methods and shipping options. Upload products. Upload images and descriptions of your products. Organize them into categories for easy navigation. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly by previewing and optimizing it for different screen sizes. Set up SEO. Optimize your website for search engines by adding relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptions to your pages. Preview and publish. Preview your website to make sure everything looks good. Once satisfied, publish your site to make it live on the internet. Promote your store. After launching your e-commerce site, promote it through social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract customers.